What's up? It's me again with my Western Cullen Hase bell test. This has a little speaker inside. Wires are running down. So here we go. Here it comes. Hold on. Here we go. Trying to run just perfect. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 0. Switch. So thanks, rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to ask what kind of bell this is. And yeah, there will be a to-do how to make this bell out of paper. This is obviously a paper bell. And I'll be making more videos of, some videos on my traffic signal with one cover holding up by duct tape. And I have my pole out there ready for the railroad crossing to go on, and my four-wheeler, my two doggies. I want to see how this bell stands up on this pole. I just put this in the ground today. Put that on the pole, and it looks great on that pole. But I just got to get the rest of the stuff, the gate, which is going to be in perfect new condition. This is going to be the new gate. So, yeah, that's the new gate. That'll be painted, refurbished, and done tomorrow. Maybe if I can get a cutting board tomorrow. Then when that's all dry, I'll give that about 3 days to dry. Now I'll start doing the rest, to getting the lights, the signal, and yeah. You wanna there will be a part 2 of this, to how to make a Western Cullen Hase ebell. So yeah, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.